Let's learn how to delete your comments on Instagram. Surely, it has happened to you at some point that you accidentally write a comment and then don't know how to delete it. After watching this video, this will surely not happen to you again. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. When Instagram opens, you need to make sure you're logged into the correct account from which you want to delete the comment. When Instagram opens, you'll be on the home page, but you need to go to the profile page. The profile page will open when you click on the profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the page where your profile is located, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on the 3 horizontal lines, a page with many options will open. But from all these options, you need to click on the Your Activity option. After clicking on Your Activity, a page with all your activities on Instagram will open. On that page, you need to click on the Comments option. When you click on the Comments option, a page with all the comments you have written will open. On that page, you need to click on the Select option located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on the Select option, choose the comments you want to delete. You can select a comment by clicking on it. Once you've selected the comments you want to delete, you need to click on the red delete letters located at the bottom of the screen. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.